Nestled along the rugged Italian Riviera, Cinque Terre is a breathtaking region of 5 interconnected villages, each with its own unique charm. The villages have a long history, dating back to the Middle Ages. They were once isolated fishing communities, but over time, they have become popular tourist destinations. Vernazza, with its vibrant houses and picturesque harbor, is considered by many to be the most beautiful of the 5 villages. Its iconic bell tower, perched high above the village, is a symbol of Cinque Terre. The best way to explore Cinque Terre is by hiking the Sentiero Azzurro, a scenic trail that connects all 5 villages. The trail offers breathtaking views of the Mediterranean Sea, rugged cliffs, and charming villages. For a more leisurely pace, consider taking the Cinque Terre train, which offers stunning views of the coastline from above. You can also take a boat tour to see the villages from the water. Manarola is known for its picturesque harbor and delicious seafood. Don't miss the opportunity to try the local pesto made with fresh basil and other ingredients grown in the region. You can also visit the local vineyards and taste some of the region's excellent wines. Take a dip in the crystal clear waters of the Cinque Terre beaches, or relax on the sand and soak up the sun. The beaches are also a great place to enjoy a delicious Italian gelato or a refreshing Aperol spritz. Riomaggiore is the largest of the Cinque Terre villages, offering a vibrant atmosphere and plenty of shops and restaurants to explore. Don't miss the opportunity to visit the castle ruins and enjoy the panoramic views of the coastline. Monterosso al Mare is the most popular of the Cinque Terre villages, offering a sandy beach, lively atmosphere, and a variety of shops and restaurants. Enjoy a leisurely stroll along the beach or take a dip in the crystal clear waters. You can also explore the historic center of the village, which is home to several churches and museums. Corniglia is the only village that is not directly on the sea, but it offers stunning views of the coastline. Corniglia is surrounded by vineyards, and the village is known for its production of Cinque Terre, a sweet dessert wine. Compared to the other Cinque Terre villages, Corniglia offers a quieter and more peaceful atmosphere. Cinque Terre is a truly magical place, offering a perfect blend of natural beauty, history, and culture. Whether you're looking for adventure, relaxation, or simply a chance to escape the hustle and bustle of city life, Cinque Terre has something to offer everyone. Discover the beauty of Cinque Terre and create unforgettable memories in this stunning Italian region. With its picturesque villages, breathtaking scenery, and delicious cuisine, Cinque Terre is a must-visit destination for any traveler.